before anything else, I would like to greet everybody who is here, who come and join us for JC's 40th birthday. A Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. My message is not long because hindi ako nakapaghanda. Promise. Kaya, eto na masasabi ko. Enjoy, have fun ngayong gabi. So, here we go. Let's watch out also the Star Magic Friends of JC's birthday greetings for her.
Ready? Happy birthday, Ate Jessie! God bless you! Happy birthday, Jessie! Happy birthday, Jessie! Have fun! Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, JC! Wish ko magbago ka na putan na mo!
Hi, Mimi! Happy birthday! Oh, stay pretty and sweet. Happy birthday! Hi, Mimi! Happy birthday! And stay healthy, stay pretty and kind, and God bless. Hello, GC! Happy birthday! Enjoy!
Hi, Sister Jessie. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy.
Hello, ganda. Happy birthday. I wish the blessings will follow you today and always. God bless.
Hi BGC. I wish you a happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life and continue to be a kind person as you are. And I'm so glad that I met a friend like you, and I'm really hoping that we will continue our friendship as long as we are here in Singapore, and don't mind all the negativities in life or all the bad comments that they've thrown on you. You know who you are, and what's important is we, your friends, and your friends still there for you, and we love you. So a happy birthday and enjoy your birthday. Bye-bye.
Hi, GC! Happy 40th birthday!
Ganun lang?
Mamaya na
Ganda,
kayo
happy birthday! Sana sa birthday mo mabusog mo kami at malasing din. Uy, madami ko inumin.
Happy birthday, Jessie! Cheers!
Sus, ganun lang.
Hi, Mare! Happy birthday! Stay sexy and fabulous always!
Nakakaiba siya.
Happy birthday, Beng! More birthdays to come and good health always. Stay humble. God bless you.
So here my final message, Meme. Happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong gabi. Even though tomorrow is your actual birthday. Ayun. Sana maging mature. Yeah. Maging mature ka na kasi tinatawag kitang Meme pero parang mas baby ka pa sa akin. Ayun. So, and also, I would like to say pasensya na if we had an argument last few weeks ago. Yeah. I was upset because you weren't listening to my advice. Kasi wala namang kaibigan na ipupus ka sa bagay na alam niyang ikakapahamak mo palalo, di ba? Kasi mas gugustuhin ko pa na ito-tolerate kita sa mga bagay na alam kong masaya ka. Yung magiging masaya ka, you know. Do you remember nung last birthday mo na pinag-celebrate natin dun sa Altitude? Alam mo yung anong pinag-experience ko doon na para i-surprise kita. Kaya-kaya kitang pagtakpan ng kahit ano. Wag lang makipagbalahuraan. Kasi it's not suits you. It's not fit you. Alam mo yun, di bagay. Kasi laging bukang bibig mo dyan, pangit, bobo, stupid, ganun, oh. Pag patulera ka, ganun ka din. Walang saysay yung mga sinasabi mo pag ganun ka din. Diba? So, it's better to have a peace of mind kaysa makipagtalo sa mga walang utak. Yun. Makasimple. Huwag makipagtalo sa mga walang utak. Diba? Matalino ka. Sabi mo. So, bakit ka nakikipagtalo sa mga walang utak? And Meme, we're all friend for almost a decade na. So, I think, marami na akong alam sa mga buhay mo. Ganon. Kasi napaka-open mong tao. You know what I mean? So, kung ako lang yung, siguro kung yung napaka-bad friend ko lang talaga. Ako kasi yung klaseng tao na kung, ano ba, sa isang minuto or a seconds, pwede ka nakitang sirain. Pero I want do that. Kasi I cared a lot as a friend. So sana matuto tayo makinig, lalo na kay Nanay Ami. Mas alam ko na mas close kayong dalawa, pero nangihinayang na din siya, hindi ka na rin daw niya nakikilala, yung ganon. So sana alam mo yun, wag mong i-ignore yung mga taong nagbibigay ng advice sa'yo. Ganon, yung mga taong mas nakakakilala sa'yo. Yun lang. Matuto na tayo sa buhay. Alam ko napaka-hard year mo ngayong taon. So sana take it as a lesson. Yung mga nangyari sa'yo ngayong taon. And I feel sorry sa pagkawala ng papa mo. Kaya, soon matatanggap mo din yan, maintindihan mo kung bakit. Kasi napagdaanan ko din yan. So, ayun, Mame. It's too long enough. It's too long enough. At sana, naiparamdam ko sa yung pagiging isang kaibigan ko ngayong araw, na kahit na ang daming arguments na nangyari, sana maintindihan mo yun. And now you're 40, you're not young enough, hindi ka na bata, matanda ka na. So, mas maintindihan mo na yung mga bagay na tama at mali. Yun lang. Sana i-bless ka pa ni Lord. Maging healthy. Yun lang. Be a good girl na. Bye. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Jessie! How are you? I miss you so much. I used to play with Stefan and you used to be in my condo. I hope you enjoy your day with your friends. Bye!
Hi, Jessie. Happy birthday and God bless always. Love you and miss you. Always stay and beautiful. I love you guys.
Happy birthday, Beng. More birthdays to come and good health always. Stay humble. Hindi ka na bata, alam mo na ang mali at tama. At alam mo na rin kung saan ka mapapahamak at hindi. Kaya, umayos ka. Love you.
Hi! Kumusta kayo dyan sa Singapore? I miss you all. Ito lang masabi ko kay GC. Happy birthday. I wish all the best in your life. I miss you, GC. Ingat ka sa sarili mo lagi. Namimiss ko yung buhay natin bilang OFW. Ingat kayo dyan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, GC. Ang ganda mo pa rin. Ingat ka lagi. I wish all the best in your life sa birthday mo, sa family mo. Ingat ka. Sana mag-pure for good ka na rin. Katulad ko. Ito ako, nag-alaga na lang ng ako. Happy birthday. I miss you, GC. Hi, GC. Happy birthday. I wish all the best in your life. Ingat ka lagi sa work mo. Namiss kita, yung mga banding natin noon na nag-hotel tayo with, alam mo na kita mga massage. Ay, namiss ko yun yung mga banding natin. Kumain. Hi, GC. Happy birthday. Miss you. Ingat ka lagi dyan. Kayo mga tropang Barley Condo. Miss ko na kayo yung banding natin sa playground, sa mga alaga natin, sa kainan natin. Namiss ko kayo lahat. Happy birthday again, GC. I miss you all. Hi, Barney girl. Merry Christmas to all of you. Ako, okay na ako dito sa bahay lang. Business, alagahan ako. We're good na ang lola. Ito, maganda pa rin. I miss you all. Merry Christmas. I miss ko na ang SD.
Happy birthday, ma. Wish you all nothing but the best. Sana mag-ingat ka dyan palagi and wish you a good health. Magdasal lang palagi kung maraming problema at huwag mong papabayaan ang sarili mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. I love you, ma.
Mommy, happy birthday. Thank you for your endless love, patience, and support to us. You're my greatest blessing and strongest support. Wish you all the best, Mommy, and God bless.